To put our media on the take-up system, we first need to load the media into the printer. We have a separate video on how to load the media into the printer, so you can check that out. Once we get to the screen, touch the Prepare for Take-up. And the printer is going to move our media further down so that we can load it onto the take-up reel unit. Next, we'll get an empty core and put it on the take-up reel unit. Push it on and move this part here, same way when we load media, onto the core and screw it tight. And then we're gonna crank the handle here to align the blue one with the roller. Next, we're gonna feed the media all the way down to the core, holding the button. And as you can see, my core is too far to the left, so we'll have to adjust that. So you open up this roller here, and this one over here. And now we can move the whole core further to the left to make sure it aligns with the edge of our media. Next, we're gonna get scissors or a knife, and we're gonna cut the corners of the media to an angle. I'm gonna get some tape and tape the tip to the core. Next, we're gonna do the dancer bar, release it, push it down to push against the media, and make sure that we have the setting here on the take-up reel unit on automatic. And then on the take-up reel unit on the left side here, we see auto and manual. Just push it down to wind it over, or if you wanted it to wind it under, we would push the button up. But in our case, we want it down to wind it over. Now when we feed the media, it's been rolled up on the take-up unit.